All right, we're walking down to get our bikes. As you can see, she's got her insulators on, 2 or 3 coats, sweatshirt, long underwear, bike pants.
And all I have on is this hoodie.
What's this?
And this.
What's on it? Deer.
Deer track. Good. I thought it was deer poop or something.
And it's 67 degrees here today.
And it's cold out.
And Mama's cold. Well, we're taking Abby out today. I don't know why she don't have her hat on.
Oh, I forgot it.
Forgot her hat. She ain't gonna be an old church lady today. I'll leave a link up above to the old church lady so you can see what she looked like.
And we'll leave a link to where you can buy these hats for your dog.
Oh, yeah, there you go. All right, fixing to go here. It is. I got 22 miles since I reset it. Oh. That light hit on the back of that truck down there and just blinded me. But Mama's left me up here, so I better get going. Amish don't believe in telephones and everything in their house, but here's a telephone outside their house. In our area there, I've seen probably 2 or 3 of those where it's like a community phone. In case they need to use it, they'll go up and they use the phone. It even has a solar panel on top. Looks like I'm building on this truck here. Hopefully, I keep going faster than me. Well, no such luck. No such luck. And now he's walking away from me a little bit. Keeping up with him pretty good. This hole up here, every once in a while it would catch me when I wasn't paying attention, but it's a good thing I didn't hit that today. My goodness, that's about 1 foot deep. That hole there would probably mess you up. It's right in the middle of the road. I mean, the road don't look bad. It's got a pothole right in the middle of the road, so you always gotta be paying attention. You'll be looking at your phone and recording like I do all the time. I've had a few crashes, and at least one of them, maybe 2 of them, was my own fault because I got distracted. The other one, I tried to go up a hill with a backpack on my back, on the back of my bike, and it didn't work very good. I'll put a link for that above. Actually got that all on video. So yeah, pay attention. Yeah, see if my dogs are out here today. My little bulldogs. See him. I hear him. There he is. There he is. Hey, buddy. Black one that comes after me. Yeah, that was a little exciting. Not that I was afraid of him or nothing, but didn't want him to get in front of me, make me wipe out, because I'm only driving one-handed. After I'm telling you to be careful, I'm out here driving one-handed.
Put that thing away.
Alrighty, put the phone away. You ever go on a bike ride and it seems like no matter which way you're riding against the wind?
Bear walking against the wind.
That's what it's been like today. Riding against the wind the whole time, it seemed like. Oh yeah. I got stuck behind the tractor. I couldn't ride as fast. Air fills up her coat, makes her look like a football player. There's 13.9 miles. 36 total. And there's Abby girl. How'd you do, Abby?
Yep, bugs.
Got bugs in your hair. You got bugs in your hair. Is that a fun ride? Is that a fun ride? She said, "Oh, just get me out of here." How was it, Ma?
Nice.
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 Got bugs on you again.
Oh,
All over you. You might want to brush off before you go inside.
yeah.
Yep, all over you.
Well, where do I go that you guys don't go?
Oh, she had them too.
Do you have any on you?
No. Nope, I ride too fast again. Alrighty, that was a nice ride. This is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.